Here we have square root function. We want to find the derivative of f, and we want to use the limit definition. For those of you who are interested in using the shortcut, at the end I show you how to apply the shortcut. Remember that f prime of x is equal to the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as h goes to 0. Well, this becomes the limit of, here, wherever we see x, we're going to use x plus h. So we get square root of x plus h minus square root of x, which is the exact same function, divided by h as h goes to 0. Here we're going to use conjugate. We're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. The reason is if you plug in 0, you get 0 divided by 0, which is indeterminate form. So we multiply by conjugate. And let us simplify this further. The derivative is the limit of, on the numerator, as you remember, here you have the product between a minus b and a plus b, which is going to be the difference between squares. This is going to be your numerator. So we get square root of x plus h to the power 2 minus square root of x raised to 2 divided by h times square root of x plus h plus square root of x as h goes to 0. My numerator becomes x plus h, because square root of 2 and raising to power 2, they cancel out each other, minus, here you get x back, divided by h times square root of x plus h plus square root of x. And h goes to 0. So this limit basically is, you can cancel out h and negative, x and negative x, and then h and h. So you have h divided by h multiplied by x plus h plus square root of x as h goes to 0. So you end up with the limit of 1 divided by square root of x plus h plus square root of x as h goes to 0. If I plug in 0 here, I get 1 divided by square root of x plus square root of x, or 1 divided by 2 times square root of x. So if f of x is equal to square root of x, or x to the power a half, then its derivative using limit definition is 1 divided by 2 times square root of x. For those of you who are interested in using the shortcut for power functions, the derivative of power functions is n x to the power n minus 1. You're going to write down the exponent and x raised to exponent minus 1. Since here we have x to the power a half, it becomes a half x to a half minus 1, which is equal to a half times x to the power negative a half. If you write this on the denominator, you get 2 times x to the power a half, or 1 divided by 2 times square root of x. So here we have the shortcut. Later on in the class, we're going to go over shortcut for each one of these functions from the limit definition and the shortcut. So this is the behavior of square root of x. 1 divided by 2 times square root of x behave differently. This is a new function. You can call it g of x.